Hey, welcome back. I have a 2010 Lexus LS460 and I'm going to show you how to hack this. Well, your brake pad wear indicator, that is. I'm going to show you how to take it out quickly and efficiently without pulling out the whole brake shoe or brake pad. So the reason I'm doing this is because I changed the brake shoes and I did not change the brake pad wear indicator, and it came back to haunt me because that light was still on my dash, and I don't like lights on my dash. So first, you're going to remove this retaining spring. You can use a flathead screwdriver, it gets it out, and that's pretty much it with that. So now you grab a scribe or something sharp and long and remove this retaining clip that secures this indicator in, and you're golden. You pull it out and you replace your brake pad wear indicator, and it's pretty simple. Basically, you only have to do this if you didn't get brake pad wear indicators when you change the shoes on your brakes, and you have to go back in and change them. Thanks for watching, guys.